हाय बिफोर आई स्टार्ट हियर इज मी इन अ वॉइस ओवर टेलिंग यू कि चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लो। 50,000 हो गए तो मजे आ जाएंगे। बेल का बटन दबा देना और भी बेहतर। सारे रिव्यूज की खबर आती रहेगी।
Unflinching, unrelenting. It's not perfect, but it's pretty good. Very excited इस फिल्म के बारे में आपसे बात करने के लिए आज। Hey all, my name is Acharita. This is my channel. You're watching a movie review, and today we're talking about the latest Netflix release, Thar, written and directed by Raj Singh Chaudhary, starring Fatima Sana Sheikh, हर्षवर्धन कपूर and अनिल कपूर in the lead roles. मैं फिल्मों के ट्रेलर आजकल नहीं देखती हूँ क्योंकि काफी तरतीबी से पूरी कहानी ट्रेलर में बता दी जाती है. So after watching Thar, I went back in to watch the trailer and other promotional material. And dear viewer, even if you've seen everything around this movie, you are not prepared. Set in a particularly punishing arid part of Rajasthan's desert land, you enter the film via a local policeman, Surekha Singh, seemingly lost in his thoughts, which you can hear as a voiceover. Few months away from retirement, Surekha is contemplating if his life devoted to his work was a life well spent, perhaps hoping for one last exciting case, something to make him feel alive again. Enter a mysterious young stranger from out of town looking to hire people for his business. Right around this time, a few local men begin to disappear or turn up dead. But the stranger isn't the only mysterious presence. There's also a quietly simmering, angry wife who is capable of way more than she lets on. And then the story unfolds. What sets Thar apart from a regular small town murder mystery is the treatment. This film is designed like a spaghetti western. There even are multiple references to OP Desi cowboy western Sholay. There's also a local watering hole / dhaba, a neutral land, with unspoken rules. बस ऐसे वो flapping दरवाजे नहीं है उसके front में. The movie's technical departments go above and beyond to ensure Raj Singh Chaudhary's vision is realized. Most importantly, the cinematography and the music. DOP Shreya Dev Dubey uses the vast expanse of this aggressively Banjar, bleak topography to create a sense of loneliness. Heat emanates from her frames, all of which are sparse, just as sparse as the film's setting. Thar is set in a land where every single item, every drop of water, every morsel of food is counted and provided on a requirement basis. So Shreya Dubey's camera honors and enhances that emptiness, filling the vacant spaces with thorny shrubs and giant jagged boulders, useless and mocking. खुद तो she is fantastic, लेकिन additional DOP पे देखो कौन है? Jay Oza and Swapnil Sonavane. How can the film look anything less than incredible? Ajay Jayanti's music is one of the shining jewels of Thar. Spaghetti westerns की ना एक particular sound होती है, which if you remember R.D. Burman had captured. If you remember, of course you remember. He captured it like a lightning in a bottle in the various tunes of Sholay. Not to compare newcomer Ajay Jayanti to R.D. Burman, and I am no music critic, but I know I can safely say Thar's soundtrack is nothing short of genius. And Ajay, an indie musician from Mumbai, is a very exciting young talent. Folk Rajasthani गाने जिस तरह गरम हवा को ऐसे चीरते हुए निकल जाते हैं, it's magnificent how he's used them in the film. I would strongly suggest कि इससे पहले Netflix automatically अगली movie start कर दे when Thar fades to black. Click on and watch the end credits. मेरे कहने पे. Just watch out for these names. Make a little game out of it because I say so. Production designer Wasik Khan. Art director Disha Day. Colorist Siddharth Meer. Costume Priyanka Agarwal, who incidentally is married to music composer Ajay Jayanti. Just a little information. Speaking of incidental, there's a cross-border drug smuggling subplot in Thar, which feels more weighty and peripheral rather than red herringy. It's always fun to watch Rahul Singh be a mean gunda type on screen, but his character mostly existed to give Anil Kapoor his crouching behind a jeep, shooting bad guys moment. You know what I'm talking about, right? Instrumental in making this film actually happen and see the light of day. Actor Harshvardhan Kapoor plays Siddharth, the stranger from the Sheher. With secrets of his own, it is not an easy role to play considering the amount of visceral violence the character is surrounded by. हाँ, I told you ना, ट्रेलर और बाकी सब कुछ भी देखकर आप बिल्कुल रेडी हो ही नहीं, especially for the rough brutality in this film. In many artfully lit close-up shots. Harshvardhan's conviction in putting his might behind this movie is visible in his performance. I assume he's given it all he has to offer. Mouthing lines written by Anurag Kashyap, this character personifies Thar, an unpredictable dark place devoid of sympathy or emotion, angry and unforgiving. It's all very impressive. Anil Kapoor is the audience's entry into this movie and our eyes for a while. The cop trying to piece things together with an energy that's between fully enthusiastic and half-hearted. Surekha Singh is an old lion who knows these lands. He knows the behavior of his prey. But now he's wondering if he needs to bother learning anything new, considering his active hunting days are almost over. He's pondering all of this as solemnly he sews his jurab before going to bed. It's just a superb Anil Kapoor performance. Thar na thriller hai, though it attempts to keep its audience guessing, never fully showing its hand. Fatima Sana Sheikh भी एक housewife हैं, लेकिन उनकी शक्ल पर लिखा हुआ दिखाई देता है कि किसी भी मोमेंट पता चल जाएगा कि कितनी शानी है. Perfect casting by Gautam Kishan Chandani. She is just the right balance between adorable and sexy, who can wield a balan and a gun in the same film, and it feels perfectly acceptable. Also shout out to Mukti Mohan, who knew the performer I only knew as a gifted dancer also has serious acting chops. Fully surprised. But coming back to the keeps audience guessing bit. Idhar na the film lost me when it continued to try too hard. Little over an hour in, I was barely any wiser कौन murderer है और किसी भी major character की conviction क्या है. To begin attempting to solve the puzzle as a viewer, there just weren't enough breadcrumbs for me. The violence begins to weigh heavy, and when the film does end, there isn't enough satisfaction to relish. The reveal didn't feel like it was enough of a payoff for the kind of attention the story had asked of me throughout. A conveniently placed notebook with plans neatly written down, plus a few unnecessarily borderline boorish sex scenes could also have been envisioned better. Overall, Thar is a pretty great watch और मैंने तो blackout curtain शर्टन लगा के noise cancelling headphones पर Bluetooth लगा के ऐसे देखी मैंने. It was too much fun. So on a scale of 1 to 10, yes, I'm bringing this back. On a scale of 1 to 10, Thar is one hell of an attempt to do something new. If you can handle the violence, watch the film on Netflix and subscribe to my channel. This week, Doctor Strange भी तो है.